If you're going on a Bermuda cruise with Norwegian Cruise Line, these tips and tricks will help you to make the most of your time in port and on the ship. Hi, I'm Ilana from Life Well Cruised. We recently went on a Bermuda cruise on Norwegian Joy and we had an absolutely amazing time. Now, Bermuda is one of my favorite itineraries, and in this video I'm going to share with you everything that you'll want to know before you go. Why a Bermuda cruise? Most Norwegian cruises will visit Bermuda for 2 to 3 days. This means that you get ample time to explore Bermuda's attractions and do activities in port without feeling the need to rush back to the ship. What are the best excursions? There's something for everyone in Bermuda, and some of the best shore excursions in Bermuda include spending the day at a pink sand beach. Horseshoe Bay is the most famous, a catamaran snorkeling excursion, visiting crystal caves, jet skiing, swimming with dolphins, and a sunset boat tour. When you book an excursion, you'll have a meeting point and everything will be organized for you. Explore on your own. Bermuda is pretty easy to visit on your own, and Norwegian Cruise Line makes it easier. NCL has a free ferry that brings guests from just outside the cruise ship to the historic town of St. George on the other side of the island. Many cruisers enjoy visiting Hamilton, Bermuda's capital city, where you can sightsee, shop, and enjoy a street festival. Public transit passes for the bus and ferry are available, but be sure to check the schedule to plan your days. Now, if you do want to head over to Horseshoe Beach, you'll find some local shuttles that will be lined up at the taxi area that are going to bring guests directly to and from the beach for a nominal charge. What to do in Dockyard right near the cruise ship. Your NCL ship has a prime spot in Dockyard within 10 minutes walking distance from Snorkel Park Beach, a maritime museum, mini golf, shopping, restaurants, and more. While years ago I would have suggested leaving Dockyard for the last day in port, the area now has so much to do that you may want to spend more time there. Stay on the ship and make it a spa day. This is a cruise secret that most cruisers swear by. Pick one day and stay on the cruise ship, and even consider heading to the spa or to the Vibe Beach Club. If you've purchased the thermal spa pass, you'll be able to enjoy it while most other cruise passengers are off the ship. It's like having your own private yacht with the best views of Bermuda right outside. Free things to do. While you can walk, there's also a complimentary trolley that can drop you off at key locations in Dockyard, including the Clock Tower Mall. Check out the free events and tours like the 1863 Historical Character Walking Tour. Be sure to take a photo at Bermuda's Dockyard Moongate. When walking from the ship into the main area of Dockyard, you'll see a moongate. It's one of 40 moongates on the island. The moongate is said to be a symbol of good fortune and love. Legend says that couples who walk through the moongate holding hands will be blessed with eternal love and happiness. So why not? What to eat and drink in Bermuda. When in Bermuda, enjoy their 2 national drinks, both made from locally produced Gosling's rum, the Dark and Stormy and the Rum Swizzle. The great thing about a Bermuda cruise is that you can visit and do excursions, but still come back to the cruise ship for snacks and meals. However, if you do want to eat in Bermuda, there are a lot of favorites close by to the cruise ship. For something local, it's worth trying the famous Bermuda fish sandwich. Please let me know if you're planning a Bermuda cruise, as well as any questions or tips that you may have in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the NCL channel for more helpful cruise videos. Happy cruising!